Hello my friends, this is Steven from Hackaway. Let's do you again. Today I would like to introduce you of 4-channel BSD systems for commercial vehicles. Okay, the BSD stands for blind spot detection and active warming. So you can see the system is composed of 4 HD cameras. Okay, 4 extension cameras to collect the cameras to the monitors. Okay, this monitor with built-in BSD algorithm, and it can be 7-inch, 9-inch, and 10-inch, and also with the recording functions. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay, you can see here is the monitor. Okay, this is the 7-inch type. Okay. And what's inside, there are the cables to collect the cameras, okay, and the bracket, remote control, okay, and the sticky pads and the screws, okay. Okay, and there is a speaker in the rear panel, okay. And here we collect the monitor to the cable, okay. And here there are cables of 4 cameras, okay, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4. Okay, and here are three cables for the power, that is ground, ACC, and battery positive, okay. And here is 3 trigger cables, okay, that is connect to the channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4, and each of these cameras are installed is the back of the vehicle and left side and right side, okay. Let's have a demonstration of this function to you.
Obstruction spotted on left. Please be careful. Obstruction spotted on left. Please be careful.
可以调中文的。好，你跑到调成中文了。
Obstruction spotted on the right. Please be careful. Obstruction spotted on the right. Please be careful. Obstruction spotted on left. Please be careful.